The 2022 Coachman Sports Coach RD402TS is a true home on wheels, blending modern luxury with powerful performance for travelers who crave comfort on the road. This Class A diesel motorhome stands out with its sleek exterior design and spacious interior that feels just like a high-end apartment. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully designed living area featuring plush seating, a large TV, and an electric fireplace that creates a warm, cozy atmosphere no matter where you're parked. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, a residential refrigerator, and plenty of counter space, making cooking on the road a pleasure. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, generous storage, and private access to a stylish bathroom with a shower big enough to stretch in. Built on a strong Freightliner chassis and powered by a Cummins diesel engine, it delivers smooth, reliable performance and impressive towing power. The Alvan 1200 is a dream motorhome for anyone who loves to travel in comfort, style, and convenience. Designed to accommodate up to 6 people, it even has a rear garage to carry a car, sports car, classic vehicle, or quad bike, letting you bring your favorite ride wherever your adventures take you. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis with a powerful 600 horsepower engine and smooth automatic transmission, the Alvan 1200 delivers reliable performance on highways, city streets, or winding country roads. Inside, it feels like a luxurious home on wheels. The spacious living area features a slide-out lounge, a cozy fireplace, and a 32-inch flat-screen TV, making it perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The fully equipped kitchen comes with a refrigerator, dishwasher, and steam cooker, allowing you to prepare meals easily while traveling. The separate ensuite bathroom offers a shower, toilet, and washing machine for maximum convenience. The bedroom is comfortable and inviting, with a king-size bed and its own TV. Every detail is thoughtfully designed, from storage solutions to elegant finishes, ensuring comfort on the road. The Triton is a powerful and versatile vehicle designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making it perfect for both everyday use and adventurous activities. Built with strength and durability, it performs well in tough environments, whether you're driving through city streets, open highways, or off-road trails. One of its biggest use cases is for people who need a reliable workhorse. Farmers, construction workers, and outdoor enthusiasts can all benefit from its impressive load capacity and towing strength. At the same time, the Triton offers comfort and convenience, so it's not just about heavy-duty work. Families can use it for long trips, camping adventures, or daily commuting. Its spacious interior provides plenty of room for passengers and gear, while modern features like advanced safety systems and smart technology make driving easier and safer. Whether you need to transport equipment, explore rough terrains, or simply enjoy a comfortable ride, the Triton adapts to your lifestyle. It's this balance of rugged power and everyday practicality that makes the Triton stand out as more than just a vehicle. It's a dependable partner for work, travel, and adventure. Do you want me to make this specific to Mitsubishi Triton pickup truck use cases, or keep it as a general Triton vehicle? The EcoCapsule is a compact, innovative, and self-sufficient microhome designed for adventurers and eco-conscious travelers. Its unique egg-shaped design combines style, functionality, and sustainability in one portable package. Powered by solar panels and a small wind turbine, the EcoCapsule generates its own electricity, while an integrated rainwater collection and filtration system provides clean water, making it fully off-grid. Inside, every inch is carefully planned, offering a cozy sleeping area, a compact kitchenette, a bathroom, and clever storage solutions, proving that small spaces can still be highly functional. Lightweight and mobile, the EcoCapsule can be placed almost anywhere, from remote mountains and lakesides to city rooftops, allowing you to live independently and closer to nature. Ideal for modern minimalists, researchers, travelers, or anyone looking for sustainable living, this microhome combines comfort, practicality, and eco-friendly technology. The Freightliner SuperTruck is a game-changing vehicle built to make trucking smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Think of a truck that glides smoothly like a bird in the air and rolls powerfully on the road while saving energy like the sun. That's the magic of this super truck. Its sleek aerodynamic design cuts drag by 12%, while advanced systems reduce rolling resistance by another 12%, making every mile more fuel efficient. The powerful 13-liter engine has an intelligent feature that shuts off when coasting, saving fuel without affecting performance. On top of that, it comes with a 48-volt electrical system that powers important functions like hoteling features and steering. Instead of bulky mirrors, it uses modern cameras that improve safety and give drivers a clearer view of the road. The Golden Sky 57 metered by JB Homes is a beautifully designed modern home that combines luxury, comfort, and practicality in one smart package. With its clever layout, this compact home makes the most of every square meter, giving you spacious living without any wasted space. The open plan design creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere, while large windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the home feel even bigger and more inviting. High-quality finishes, stylish interiors, and smart storage solutions ensure that every corner serves a purpose while still looking elegant. Whether you're a small family, a couple, or someone looking for a cozy yet modern space, the Golden Sky 57 meters squared offers the perfect balance between functionality and beauty. It's ideal for those who want the comfort of a full-size home in a smaller, more manageable space. Built with attention to detail and designed for modern lifestyles, the Iveco Z-Truck is a revolutionary concept that shows us what the future of trucking could look like. It's built around the idea of achieving zero pollution, zero accidents, zero stress for drivers, and zero wasted time or energy. Instead of relying on regular fuel, it runs on liquefied natural gas and biomethane, which cut down harmful emissions almost completely. Its sleek aerodynamic body and a smart waste heat recovery system make it far more fuel efficient, saving energy while covering long distances. Safety is another big focus. This truck comes with advanced systems and automated driving features that help prevent accidents and make long journeys safer and easier. But what really makes the Z-Truck stand out is its cabin. Unlike traditional trucks, the inside can transform based on the driver's needs. It can turn into a workspace, a cozy resting area, or even a relaxing spot to enjoy the view, giving drivers a much-needed break from stress on the road. The Iveco Z-Truck isn't just a truck, it's a complete rethinking of transport. It blends sustainability, high-tech features, and comfort to create a smarter and greener way to move goods across the world. The Kabe Tower, also known as the Ebraj Al Bait Clock Tower in Makkah, Saudi Arabia, is one of the most iconic and breathtaking landmarks in the world. Standing tall right next to the Holy Kaaba and Masjid al-Haram, it is a true masterpiece of modern engineering combined with Islamic architecture. At around 601 meters, 1,972 feet, it is among the tallest buildings in the world and instantly recognizable because of its massive clock, which is the largest clock face ever built. The tower isn't just about height. It was designed to serve millions of pilgrims who visit Makkah every year for Hajj and Umrah. Inside, it has luxurious five-star hotels, a huge shopping mall, restaurants, residential apartments, and even a museum showcasing Islamic culture and history. The top floors of the tower also include a lunar observation center to help determine the Islamic calendar and moon sightings. Its presence makes the skyline of Mecca more majestic and adds great convenience for worshippers. Kimberly Caravans are built for people who love adventure but don't want to give up comfort. Designed in Australia, these caravans are made tough enough to handle rough and challenging terrains while still giving you the feeling of being in a luxury home on wheels. They are compact and easy to tow, but when you set them up, they open into a roomy and comfortable space with everything you need. Inside, you'll find a modern kitchen with high-quality appliances, a cozy bed for restful nights, a stylish bathroom, and clever storage to keep your essentials organized. Many models also come with solar panels, water-saving technology, and advanced power systems, making it easy to stay off-grid for longer without missing out on convenience. What makes Kimberly Caravans special is how they combine rugged strength with luxury features like air conditioning, entertainment systems, and beautifully designed interiors. The NOS Tourer CUV is a modern and versatile camper van designed for travelers who want both comfort and adventure in one stylish package. Its sleek design makes it easy to drive, while the interior is thoughtfully arranged to maximize space and usability. Inside, you'll find a cozy seating area perfect for relaxing or socializing, a fully equipped kitchenette for preparing meals on the go, and a compact bathroom for convenience during long trips. Large windows and clever lighting make the space feel bright and airy, while smart storage solutions keep everything organized and within reach. The sleeping arrangements are comfortable, making it ideal for couples, small families, or friends traveling together. Lightweight and fuel efficient, the NOS Tourer CUV can easily handle city streets, winding country roads, or remote destinations, giving you the freedom to explore wherever you like. Its design balances practicality with modern aesthetics, so you don't have to compromise on style while enjoying the convenience of home on wheels. L1 Trailer Light. The L1 Trailer Light is an innovative and eco-friendly camper that brings luxury and sustainability together for the ultimate travel experience. Designed for adventurers who care about the environment, it runs on electric power and solar panels, meaning it produces zero emissions while exploring. Unlike traditional trailers, the L1 can move forward on its own without relying on a towing vehicle, which reduces drag and saves fuel. Its solar panels and battery system can also charge your car or supply electricity for your devices, making it a truly self-sufficient travel companion. Inside, the L1 is bright, spacious, and airy, with a clever design that quickly transforms from road mode to camp mode. The interior features a relaxing spa bathroom, flexible living spaces, high-tech appliances, and panoramic views that make every stop feel special. The Laramie Stock Combo is a versatile and durable trailer designed for people who need both livestock transport and comfortable living quarters in one unit. Perfect for ranchers, equestrians, and hunters, this trailer combines practicality and convenience, making long trips or remote stays much easier. The rear stock section is built tough with rubber-matted floors, tie-outs, side and rear lights, and ramps for easy loading and unloading of animals. It's designed to keep livestock safe and comfortable while on the move. The front living quarters offer a cozy retreat, featuring a sofa or sleeper, dinette, full bathroom, kitchen appliances, and a private bedroom, making it feel like a home away from home. Many models include slide-outs to maximize space, plus modern amenities such as air conditioning, LED lighting, wood finish cabinetry, and storage solutions. Maverick Vine's MV12. The Maverick Vine's MV12 is a breathtaking luxury motorhome that takes travel to a whole new level. Built like a two-story apartment on wheels, it features a hydraulic system that expands its interior, creating a spacious, elegant, and comfortable living area. Inside, the MV12 offers everything you need for the ultimate road trip experience. The master bedroom comes with a private bathroom and a balcony, while the living room is cozy yet luxurious, complete with 2 TVs and a fireplace. High-end finishes and thoughtful design make every corner stylish and functional. Named after MotoGP champion Maverick Vinales, this motorhome embodies speed, passion, and excellence, reflecting the spirit of its inspiration. The MV12 is extremely rare, with only a handful of units available worldwide, and it's priced at over $2.5 million, making it one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever built. The Mercedes Sprinter Delano 24RW is a compact and versatile Class C motorhome that combines comfort, style, and practicality, making it perfect for travelers who want the freedom to explore without sacrificing convenience. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers a smooth and powerful ride thanks to its 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, generating 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Despite its compact size, the Delano 24RW comfortably sleeps up to 5 people, featuring a rear queen-size bed, a dinette that converts into a sofa, and a bunk bed in the cab. The interior is thoughtfully designed with a fully equipped kitchen that includes a stove, microwave, and refrigerator, while the bathroom offers a basin, toilet, and shower, ensuring you have all the comforts of home wherever you go. A single slide-out expands the living space, making it feel even more spacious and inviting. The Inch OVR is a versatile and rugged travel trailer designed for adventurers who want comfort and style while exploring the world. Whether you're camping deep in the wilderness, visiting national parks, or driving across the country, the OVR is built to handle any terrain and tackle any challenge. Its strong all aluminum frame and cage make it durable and reliable, while the spacious interior ensures a comfortable living space for all your travels. The exterior is flexible and adaptable, giving you options to customize the trailer for your needs. The OVR comes in 3 models, each with unique features, and you can add options like a slide-out kitchen for easy meal prep, a drop-down bunk bed for extra sleeping space, or an off-grid package to stay self-sufficient in remote locations. This clever design allows you to enjoy both the thrill of off-road adventures and the comforts of home on the road. With smart storage solutions,